Alright guys, so I've just had the YouFibre 1 gig internet installed. As you can see, there is the router. The installation was pretty easy. They put a cable from the BT phone line straight to the top of the house and then down and in here. And there's the fiber cable itself. And there's the box, which I think translates it from fiber to Ethernet. There's a pretty cheap Ethernet cable there. I wanted to swap that out with my own what is it, Cat 7 cable, but I think it's a patch cable. As you can see, I've plugged my own Cat 7 to my switch. I'm not using the router as a switch at the minute, but let's have a look at the back. So as you can see, we've got the cable plugged in, the power button, reset button, and a fiber cable there. I wonder if you can actually plug a fiber cable in there and plug it into your PC. I bet that's for business. I don't know what the USB port's for. Maybe for a printer, a USB dongle, hard drive, external hard drive maybe. But there is the 4-port switch on the 3-port switch, so you'll only get in 3 ports. And there is the dodgy cable that you got with it, and then there's your phone line things. Don't worry about the Wi-Fi password and shit on the side. You're not gonna get in. I've changed the password. So let's have a look here. Let's back off. We have the model number. Yours may be different if you're on a smaller package. I don't know. I'm on a 1 gig package. You got the phone symbol, you got the Wi-Fi symbol, and the hell is that symbol for? No idea. And then you've got the world symbol for internet, and then you've got the power, and you've got a cool logo. And on the bottom, let me turn it the right way. Don't worry, I've changed all the passwords. You can't get out anyway, because you don't know my IP address. On the bottom, you get all sorts, the model, your Wi-Fi password, and everything, and then you get your device access code. Don't worry, I've already changed that. Everything's been changed. You will not get in. And there's the actual IP if you want to log in through your own network. Now, as Wi-Fi stands, before I got it, there was reviews of the Wi-Fi being absolutely terrible, and it's Wi-Fi 6, 5 gigahertz, whatever that is. I get Wi-Fi all the way around the house. I do get Wi-Fi halfway down the front of the street, and to the back of the house. It's not that amazing, but it never was when I had my gaming router. But it went. If you look at the camera, it went to that fence there. If you walk out, and then to the dodgy fence there. So I think I will be putting my gaming router upstairs as high as I can, or maybe in the loft as a Wi-Fi access point during the summer when I go outside in the street and watch the kids. But anyway, without further ado, let's do a speed test. Alright guys, right, I'm on the PC now. It is, just for people that want to know the spec, it is an i7 8700K, runs a 3.7, and it's got 32 gig, and it has a, let's have a look. It has a 250 gig Samsung Evo and NVMe SSD, which is probably needs renewing by now. It's about 4 or 5 years old. Or is it 3 years old? We'll have a look. Oh, it's at 92%, so we're good. But it is a Samsung SSD 97 Evo 250 gig, and it seems to be running out. Whoever drives the thingy. Anyway, I have installed the I'm gonna say Oakley Dokley. Is it Oakley speed test or whatever it is? No, you can see it automatically links up to London, but we'll do the speed test. There's nothing running apart from NVIDIA Experience, NVIDIA Broadcast, OBS of course to record it, Corsair IQ software, which is running the water pumps and shit. And then I've got X mouse button control to disable my side button of the mouse. If you want that software, just look through the videos. Handy software if you use comms like Discord and stuff like that. Anyway, let's get to the speed test. So we've let that find a nice place. Click this. Now, when I had Virgin Media, I had 200 down and 20 up, and the ping MS was around about 12. So as you can see, I've not improved much on the ping. It's just gone down to 10. And as you can see, download 950. And then upload is around about 950 as well. As you can see, it just snaps the needle off like a car that goes 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Wangs it straight over. That's London. Let's do another test to... where is Razor? Somewhere close, somewhere 10 miles away. Look at these. Why are these saying 0 miles? What the hell is that about? Got 16 miles, Watford, Slough. There's people watching this video thinking, I'm the Slough, too Slough, too Slough. Where did Razor go? Leak? Doobie? What? So I'm 10 miles off Leeds, 10 miles off Wakefield, 10 miles off Huddersfield, just in West Yorkshire. There's nowhere closer, is there? I need Leeds or Wakefield. They're all London. Why are they all London? Watford. Watford's 16 miles away. Let's give that a go. It's Vodafone, so let's see what happens. Look at that ping. Okay, Vodafone's not the best, but you're still averaging over 900 down. Vodafone is running slow today. Look at that, 20 ms to Vodafone. That's like to America. Okay, we've got 956 there, 940 there. I've had... How long have I had this connection for? I've had this connection for... I got it Monday, it's now Wednesday. It's not gone down, it's not slowed down. Everything's been good. We still pick one more. No, we'll pick Slough. This Slough's like... Isn't that Bridway? Or is it the other way? I don't know. Anyway, 11 ms. Bang, snap that needle straight over to 9. Oh, we'll be lucky if we get 950. Oh, it's pushing it. We can do it. Ooh, did I see more than 951 there? I saw loads. 952 there, I'm sure I did. Yeah, it just snaps that needle. Snaps it. Yeah, as I said, I've had it for 3 days and it's running great. I have maxed it out purely by accident. I do have a gaming computer. Let me connect to it. I mean, I do have an old i5, which is not turned on at the minute. It's next to the router. You probably saw it when I saw a picture. I had an old i5 and I was downloading Steam CMD to install the server files for 7 Days to Die, and on my main gaming computer I also started downloading the game 7 Days to Die, and they were both fighting for the connection. They were both downloading at like 5-10 each, and people on Discord started turning into robots because I totally maxed it out. So be careful with that. When you start maxing it out, you do lose other things, start slowing down. So I think you can go in the router and put limits on everything, like limit everything to like say your computer to something like, I don't know, 800 down, and another computer 800 down. So you've always got that 200 to play with. And same with upload, you definitely need to upload that, limit the upload to like have 50 left, because it fingers it. Let's go, where's Oxford? Let's do Canterbury for a laugh. Lots of speed test. Helps if I click it right. Ooh, 10 minutes. Snapping the needle again. I'm still just shocked I'm still shocked at how good it is. On your phone, when you're looking at YouTube Shorts, it takes like a second, and then they turn up, and you can't flick fast enough on your phone because the videos are just instantly there. They just load up that fast. It's mad. I've never seen anything like it. Also, the router comes with Wi-Fi 6. It even says Wi-Fi 6 on 2G, which is weird. So there you go. On my next video, I'm going to explore the router with you. I think I've got it here. Yep, I'm going to explore the router with you, and we're going to look at all these settings, because you've got access control. So if you've got any kids that you need to stop them from watching internet at, say, 9 p.m. or 8 p.m., you can add their phones to it, and it turns the internet off at 9 p.m. and turns it back on. And you can also set it so on school nights it'll go off at 9, and on weekends it'll go off at 10 or whatever time you have for your kids, and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments if you've got any questions, and like, sub, and subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.